Hi everyone, I'm Adnan. As of the other day, I'm thrilled to announce that I've become a Google Cloud Champion Innovator. And with this video, I just wanted to give a brief overview of the program itself and do a live unboxing of the Champion Innovator welcome box. So let's just see. Let's read what's on the Champions Innovator page itself. So it says Champion Innovators are a global network of more than 500 professionals nominated by Google who are technical experts in Google Cloud products and services. Each champion specializes in one of the 9 technical categories. So you can see the categories here, and in my case, this I'm recognized as an expert in serverless app development. So you can read or see all of the champions. And if we switch here and if I look for my name, so Adnan, and it's gonna show up eventually, but until my name shows up, so I think this is the best description of the program itself, which is we recognize all of these individuals for being at the top of their game technically, and for going further to inspire, invigorate, and challenge the Google Cloud community and our product team by sharing their technical knowledge and contributing to the conferences, open source software projects, forum, blogs, workshops, community events, and social media. And there's my name, and you can go check the profile and whatnot. But I'll just switch back to read some of the benefits you get with this. So, for example, you get some of the benefits are champions are eligible for a wider collection of benefits from Google Cloud, including recognition and champion directory, which I just showed, and developer profile badges shared on social media and personal websites, access to Google Cloud product teams and projects, including our early projects, which is very exciting, and publication of original content on the Google Cloud blog, YouTube Google Cloud Tech channel, and other champion content library. As someone who's been blogging for over 18 years, and I've made these YouTube videos from time to time, I'm really looking forward to this. And there's also a private Google Cloud Google group and Discord for announcements, discussions, and collaborations, invitations, and VIP treatment and Google Cloud events. Looking to see what this is about exactly. And recognize member status on the Stack Overflow Google Cloud Collective. And the special welcome gift. And that's the part I wanted to do in this video. So let's just do it. So I have the welcome box right here next to me. And it's a pretty big box. I kind of know what's in it because they were also asking for my size, but let's see. I only one way to find out. So it says caution when opening with sharp edges, and please handle with care, fragile. So, I'm actually also gonna increase the video. So I'll be careful because it says to be careful with opening with sharp edges. I literally didn't open this until now, so it's completely, I'm doing this for the very first time. It's very well packed. And here we go. All right. So let's see. Okay. So I have some stickers here. The Champion Innovator 2024 Google, and there's some confetti. And let's see. Let's start. So it's a hat. I don't know what this brand, but it's a hat. And I see a mug. Says Ember, temperature control mug. Okay, this is cool. So keep your drink hot and whatnot. Okay, it even has a battery life. Okay, cool. And I see a big one, which is it's a jacket. It looks like a bomber jacket. Oh, and it says Google Cloud Innovator. That's cool. It's a proper jacket, like, and it's a really good jacket, which is good because just the other day my friend lost my other jacket, but that's a different story. Oh, I see a Fitbit. I actually have a Fitbit Sense. So, oh, this is charge 5. I'll probably give it a try because I was actually thinking of moving away from Fitbits. Because this one in particular is not very, the Sense is not very accurate for exercise. So, but I guess I'll give this a try and see how it goes. Leatherman. I'm honestly not sure what this is. Oh, so it's like okay, so it's like a little pocket knife. Well, it's a Swiss Army knife or a Google Cloud Innovators Army knife. I need to be. Whoa, this has pliers. Well, not pliers, but it has a lot of things. So it's not a pocket knife. It's a utility thingy tool. I don't even know what it is, but there's a lot of things in here. It would be weird if I got a pocket knife. So what is this? Okay, so this is another Google Cloud Innovators mug. So that's cool. I need to put things on the ground because there's quite some things. And I see this is whoa, so this is also great. So that's it's a bag, it's a backpack basically. It's a truly big backpack, and it also has Google Cloud Innovators on it. So that's cool. It's a really big backpack. So this looks great. And so there's that. And also got Google Cloud Innovators there. And it says, I think, oh, there's some pins here. And it says, this is also a nice one. And it says, welcome to a Champion Innovator tier of the Google Cloud Innovators program. As a champion, we recognize your technical knowledge and expertise in Google Cloud product and services. Please accept these welcome gifts, and we're so excited for you to join our community. Champion Innovator program. So that's it. I mean, there you have it. That's the whole thing. I'm very happy to be selected as the Google Cloud Champion Innovator, and I'm excited to start contributing to the wider tech community, continuing to share my knowledge and learn even more along the way. And stay tuned for what's coming up next. So, yeah, thank you. Peace. Later.